In this video, you will learn how to apply for Amazon Jobs online in the USA. Visit the Amazon Jobs website. Go to the official Amazon Jobs website to browse the available job openings across the whole United States. Search for job openings. Use the search bar to filter jobs by location, category, title, or more, such as warehouse, delivery, or corporate positions. Select the job you're interested in. Click on the job title to view important details and description, like job duties, requirements, working hours, salary, and more. Click Apply Now. Once you've found a suitable position you will like, click Apply Now button to begin your online application. Create a login to your Amazon Jobs account. Sign in with your existing Amazon Jobs account, or create a new one if you're applying for the first time. Complete and submit your application. Fill in your personal details, upload your resume, and answer any job-related questions. Then submit your application for a review. Now you know how to apply for Amazon Jobs online in the USA. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.